Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video today. Very important stuff I want to share with you. Okay, so I'm introducing Oliabo. We'll talk about it in just a minute, and Prima. Okay, so if you look here on the screen for me, it says Oliabo here. Okay, and Prima. All right, so let's talk about them briefly. Okay, now Oliabo is a new renaissance company in the direct selling space. Okay, and that word is from it's a combination of two different words from the Italian language: olea, which is oil, and botanicals. So Oliabo is oil botanicals. Okay, and Prima is the flagship product that is very powerful. Now, if you look here for me, I'm just going to direct your attention real quick. HPEVOO, high in oleocanthal, okay, and other polyphenols infused with rosemary. Now, I'm not going to talk about all of that today. I just want you to see what's going on here so that when you hear this information, it'll give you something to think about. Okay, olivectin is the proprietary blend of olive leaf extract and olive fruit extract. Very important. Okay, and rosa, okay, proprietary blend of grape seed extract and lycopene. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so actually, before I go to the next slide, I want to mention this, that in Oliabo, we have some very powerful products. Okay, one, we've got a unique story, okay, and a proven model, compelling compensation plan, and we've got a team with a proven track record, okay? And so I invite you to learn the story of one of nature's greatest secrets. And I've got this thought before going to the next slide I want you to hear and think about, okay? And it is this: better health gives you more time in a better way. I'm going to say that one more time. Better health gives you more time in a better way. Okay? Okay, let's get into this. Oliabo, okay? Discover Prime, Oliabo's foundational wellness product made from high-phenolic olive oil. Learn how it supports natural whole body health. It is designed to support heart, brain, and cellular wellness. Learn about the #1 longevity food on the planet. Oliabo is an emerging leader in the health and wellness industry. Oliabo products are made with a science-backed formula, that delivers real measurable health benefits. And what I like to do here is just share this with you. Look, and this is what I ask that you do, that you Google, okay, the benefits of high quality olive oil and see what it says, okay? And that's just part of the story, but do that, Google that, okay? Now, we've got nutritional supplementation, okay, skincare products, and more products that are coming. Now, this company is just a little under 3 months old at the time of this video, and it is growing. It is emerging. It's going to be a powerhouse in this industry, and you may be hearing about it for the first time, but I want to tell you this: take a good look and then get started, either as a customer or as a rep. Okay? All right, let's move to the next slide. Okay, let's look here together. One single upgrade for your life could dramatically impact your health and your financial future. Okay. If your foundation is weak, everything else struggles. That's why Prima matters. Okay. It supports inflammation control, metabolic balance, and cellular protection, where health really begins. Strong foundation, strong results. And I've got some information for you in the description area of this video. Make sure that you take a look at that information today. Okay, I've got some links there for you where you could sign up for Oliabo. It's absolutely free to do so. And you can check out our products, which I suggest highly that you do. And soon I'll be coming out with my newsletter, my Oliabo team newsletter. It might be a link there. It may not be when you get to this video, but it's coming. Okay, and I'm gonna have some powerful information in my newsletter as well. So I invite you to really check out Oliabo today. Okay, so I want to wish you, I'm Terry Brown, I want to wish you a blessed and amazing day today. Okay, all right, bye-bye now.